Imagine this. You look at a simple plastic bucket. Most people see just a bucket, but you can see something more. You can see a tiny farm. You can see fresh food growing. You can see a way to earn extra money. This is not just a dream. It is very possible. Many people are doing this right now. They are turning empty spaces into productive gardens. They are finding joy and a little extra income. This journey starts with a single seed. It starts with a willingness to learn and grow. This path is about more than just money. It is about connecting with the earth. It is about understanding where your food comes from. There is a deep satisfaction in nurturing a plant. You watch it grow from a tiny sprout. Then, you harvest its bounty. This process can be very rewarding. It can bring peace to a busy life. It offers a sense of accomplishment. You are creating something real and valuable. This feeling is something money cannot always buy. Think about the food you will grow. Fresh tomatoes bursting with flavor, crisp lettuce for your salads, aromatic herbs to spice up your meals. Let us begin this quiet revolution together. Life today can be expensive. We all feel it. The cost of groceries seems to go up every month. Fresh fruits and vegetables are especially costly. It can be hard to feed your family healthy food. Many people worry about their food bills. They look for ways to save money. They want good food without the high price tag. This is a common problem for many families. It is a challenge we face together in our communities. At the same time, many of us live in places with little space. We might live in apartments or townhouses. We might have small yards or no yard at all. The dream of a big garden seems out of reach. Traditional farming needs a lot of land. This can feel like a big obstacle. You want to grow your own food, but where would you put it? This lack of space can be discouraging. The good news is that you can overcome these challenges. Let us explore these exciting possibilities. We have good news for you. There are simple ways to grow food. These ways work even if you have little space. They can also help you earn money. We will talk about 3 main ideas. First is container gardening using buckets. This is very easy to start. Second is growing a special plant called Palia. It can be quite profitable. Third is farming a tiny fern called Azolla. It has many amazing uses. These methods are your green toolkit. Container gardening is a fantastic solution. You can use almost any container. Buckets are cheap and easy to find. You can grow vegetables, herbs, and even fruits. You can place your buckets on a balcony, or on a patio, or even a sunny windowsill. This method is very flexible. It allows you to control the soil and water. It is perfect for beginners. You can start small and learn as you grow. Many successful small farms started this way. Palia is a wonderful plant. It is a fast-growing leafy green. It is packed with nutrients and has a pleasant, mild taste. Finally, there is Azolla farming. Let us start with container gardening using buckets. This is simple and very effective. First, you need some buckets. 5-gallon buckets are a good size for many plants. You can often get them for free or cheaply. Food-grade buckets are best if you can find them. Make sure they are clean. Next, you need to make drainage holes. This is very important. Plants do not like to sit in water. Drill several small holes in the bottom of each bucket. This allows excess water to escape easily. Now think about soil. Good soil is key to healthy plants. You can buy potting mix from a garden store, or you can make your own. A good mix usually has compost, peat moss or cocoa coir, and perlite or vermiculite. These ingredients help with drainage and nutrients. Fill your buckets with the soil mixture. Leave a little space at the top. This space is for watering. Do not pack the soil too tightly. Roots need air to breathe and grow strong. What should you grow? Start with plants that are easy and productive. Section 5. Palia Power. Cultivating this unique green for profit and health. Now, let us explore Palia farming. As we mentioned, Palia is a special leafy green. It is known for its rapid growth and high nutritional value. Think of it as a superfood you can easily grow. It has a mild, slightly peppery flavor. This makes it versatile in salads, smoothies, or lightly cooked dishes. Its unique qualities make it an attractive product for health-conscious consumers. Starting a Palia farm, even a small one, can be a smart move. It offers something different from common vegetables. To grow Palia, you can use shallow trays or containers. It does not need very deep soil. A good quality potting mix, similar to what you use for buckets, will work well. Palia prefers partial shade in hotter climates. Too much direct sun can scorch its tender leaves. Consistent moisture is important. The soil should be kept damp, but not waterlogged. Good drainage is still key. Palia can also be grown hydroponically if you are interested in more advanced methods later on, but soil-based growing is perfect for starting. One of the best things about Palia is its ease of propagation. You can grow it from seeds. Section 6. Azolla's magic harnessing the power of this tiny floating fern. Let us now turn to Azolla. This tiny plant is truly magical. Azolla is a small floating aquatic fern. It looks like a green carpet on the water. It grows incredibly fast. In ideal conditions, it can double its biomass in just a few days. One of its most amazing features is its relationship with a blue-green alga. This alga lives within the Azolla. It captures nitrogen directly from the air. This makes Azolla very rich in nitrogen. It is a natural fertilizer factory. Creating an Azolla pond is quite simple. You do not need a large fancy setup. A shallow pond, a large plastic tub, or even a sturdy kiddie pool can work. A depth of about 20 to 30 centimeters or 8 to 12 inches is usually enough. The container should be placed in a spot that gets partial sunlight. Too much intense sun can sometimes harm Azolla. If your water source is chlorinated, let it sit for a day or two. This allows the chlorine to dissipate before you add the Azolla. To start your Azolla farm, you need an initial culture. You can often get this from other growers. Section 7. From garden to gold: smart ways to sell your harvest. Growing your own food is rewarding. Turning that food into income is even more so. Once you have a good harvest, where can you sell it? One popular option is a local farmers market. These markets connect you directly with customers. People who shop at farmers markets value fresh, locally grown produce. They are often willing to pay a bit more for quality. You can build relationships with your customers. They will come back week after week for your goods. Another good avenue is selling to local restaurants or cafes. Chefs often look for fresh, unique ingredients. Your Palia greens could be a hit. Your specialty herbs or tomatoes could also find a place on their menus. Approach chefs with samples of your produce. Talk about its freshness and quality. Building a relationship with a few local eateries can provide a steady demand. This can be a reliable source of income. Be professional and consistent with your supply. Do not forget the power of online platforms. Section 8. Growing bigger: expanding your green income stream. Once you master the basics, you might want to expand. Starting small is wise. It allows you to learn without big risks. But as your confidence grows, so can your green enterprise. Perhaps you started with a few buckets. Now you can add more. Maybe your Palia patch is thriving. You can dedicate more space to it. Your Azolla pond might be producing abundantly. You can find more uses or buyers for it. Expansion should be a gradual process. Reinvesting your profits is a smart way to grow. Use the money you earn to buy more supplies. This could mean more buckets, better soil, or new types of seeds. You might invest in simple tools to make your work easier. Perhaps you want to build a small greenhouse. This could extend your growing season, or it could protect your plants from harsh weather. Careful reinvestment fuels sustainable growth. It turns a small hobby into a more serious venture. Consider diversifying what you grow. If you are successful with tomatoes, try growing peppers or eggplants. If your customers love your basil, perhaps add other herbs like rosemary or thyme. Different plants have different growing seasons. Section 9. Join the green wave. Cultivate, prosper, and inspire others. We have explored some wonderful ways to grow. Container gardening, Palia farming, and Azolla cultivation offer so much. They offer fresh food for your table. They offer a way to earn extra income. They bring you closer to nature. These methods are accessible to almost everyone. You do not need a lot of land. You do not need a lot of money to start. You just need the desire to plant a seed and the patience to watch it grow. The benefits go beyond your own household. When you grow your own food, you reduce your reliance on long supply chains. You contribute to a more sustainable food system. You might inspire your neighbors and friends to start growing too. Imagine communities where small gardens dot every balcony and patio, where fresh local food is abundant. This is a beautiful vision, and it starts with individuals like you. Taking that first step can create a ripple effect. So what are you waiting for? Today is a great day to begin. Choose one method that excites you. Maybe it is the simplicity of bucket gardening, or the unique appeal of Palia, or the sustainable power of Azolla.